Hi everyone, welcome to Inspire Educare. I hope you all are doing well. So today we have wonderful opportunity from ServiceNow. So ServiceNow is going to hire women candidates through a challenge that is Women Code to Win 2024. So this is basically one of the hiring challenge. Last year ServiceNow had hired 41 students from this challenge, and this is basically for women candidate. So if you are graduating in 2024, 2025, 2026, this is for you. And if you will go to the last round, means final round, so you will be getting amazing prizes as well as the goodies. So in the entire video, I'm going to tell you what would be the eligibility criteria, what is the selection process, how you are going to participate as a team. So please make sure to watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any important information. So first of all, the most important thing is the registration deadline. So you have only 3 days left. So please make sure to register before that so that you don't miss this opportunity. Let's see the eligibility criteria, means how you can make a team. So what is the entry level criteria? So if you are woman student and should be currently enrolled as a full-time student at a college or university, should be Indian citizens, should be graduating in 2024, 2025, 2026, right? Or 2027 for integrated programs. You should be bachelor's or master's in engineering, MCA or MSc. There is no branch restriction and there is no CGPA restriction. So if you are from like the mechanical, electrical, whatever branches, and you have whatever CGPA, there is no restriction to participate. So you are also eligible. The most important thing is that in this context, you can participate as a team. So let's see how we can, how you can prepare a team. So you have to identify your team and your team leaders. Means you have to decide to whom you are going to take in your team and who will be your team leader. And all team members must independently meet the entry criteria. Your team size is going to be of 3 students only, and teams are to be performed with students only from the same college. So you should be having your team from only from same college. If you are from different colleges, you cannot prepare the team, right? And the student cannot be a member of multiple team. Please be careful while you are uh, preparing your team. Otherwise, you will be disqualified. Your whole team will be disqualified. So modification of the team members after registration is not allowed. You cannot change size post registration. Team members who complete in the hackathon must participate throughout the event, right? Teams that have dropouts in the team members at any stage during the context will be disqualified. So please make sure that your whole team is available for the context. Otherwise, it will be disqualified, right? So during creation of teams, there would be two types of teams. One will come under group A and second will come under group B. So if you are graduating in 2024, your team will be coming under group A. And so you have to choose your team members from 2020 batch only. You cannot have the mix of students in your team. Group B team is like if you are a you woman student graduating in 2025 or 2026, right? And you can have the mix of teams, right? So your team will come under group B. How you are going to register your team? So team leaders for the respective teams should take the lead in filling out the ServiceNow Women Code to Win registration form. Teams can choose to have a team name that is neutral without containing any offensive or vulgar languages and not violate any intellectual property rights of others, right? You can give any name to your team, whatever you can decide, but please make sure that that should not be offensive. Please ensure only one registration per team and follow the registration guidelines given. I told you earlier. The registration closes by 90th January, 11:59 p.m. IST. Please make sure that you register before that. So you can say that 90th January is the last date. So we have very limited time, right? Let's see what are the different rounds you have to go through. So first level one round is the coding assessment. So in this assessment, every participant of your team will get two coding question. You have to solve in 90 minutes and you will be having a window of 8 hours, right? So you can choose your preferred programming language and based on your accuracy, speed, and time, you will be ranked. So all team members will be required to attempt this round individually. The team cumulative test score will be used for the ranking, right? So the second round is the ideathon round. In this round, what is going to happen? They will be checking your problem solving and design thinking. So they will provide you some problem statement, or you can choose a specific problem statement and you have to just submit an idea on that, means how the functional and basic technical design would be, right? So you'll be participating as a team. So teams can capture the technical and functional aspect of the idea proposed in the form of PPT Word document. So you can prepare a PPT or document, right? So each student team will come live before the panel team and will have 15 minutes to answer the question from the panel. So what would happen? So as a team will be coming in front of the panel and panel can ask any questions. And if they will decide that your idea is very good, they will go ahead with the next process, right? So, and what is going to happen in the next process? So your subject matter expert from the ServiceNow will be guiding you to create a working model, right? So you have to, whatever idea you have presented in front of the panel, you have to create a model of that so that you can show in your final rounds. What is the final presentation? So context finalist will be treated to all expense paid trip to the ServiceNow Hyderabad office to experience a grand final presentation. So teams will present their application to the judging panel, providing details about the features they have built based on their submitted idea, and result will be announced on the same day. So basically, if you will get selected, right, if your idea is something that is very good and you'll be going for the final presentation in ServiceNow office, Hyderabad, basically, and their judging panel will decide the idea, means which teams had the good idea, and based on that, you will getting the prizes. So let's see what would be the prizes. So basically, if you are from Group A team, so your every member will get a prize of Apple iPad worth 60,000, and if you are a Group B winning team, Apple iPad worth 60,000, right? If you are a runner-up Group A, you will get a 25,000 smartwatches. Basically, you will get. If you are from B, you will get same, right? And final participants. So what is going to happen here? ServiceNow goodies will get to 3,000, right? So this is one of the wonderful opportunity for the engineering graduates because at the final presentation, you also get a chance. You can also get a call from the ServiceNow for the interview, and you can get your full-time job in ServiceNow as well. as a software engineer. So this is one of the wonderful opportunity who are graduating in 2024. So please make sure to apply before the deadlines and participate in a very good manner. Thank you for watching. I will provide you the link in the description box. Please register as soon as possible. Thank you.